Hi friends, so this is my printer here, Samsung model 4321NS, and it's giving me blank scans as well as blank copy, and I understand there could be a problem with the scanner unit. The scanner bulb is moving properly, everything is happening properly, no error codes, but still I'm getting a blank scan, so I've decided to open it uh, and see if I can find out any cable damage or anything. So I opened the front cover, you can see, and now I've disconnected the power and all type of cables, and I'm removing these screws to remove the back plate, and I'll just check out from here. So this is the right side cover that I've opened up. You can see here the cables are coming from the scanner side and going to the formatter board, main board out here, and some cables are also coming from this side. This card goes to this card, so you have to remember the connections before you open them and fiddle with them. So here I have just reseated the flat ribbon cable as well as the ADF cable, the plate and cable, just clear dust out of it, just trying minor things to see if there is no cable problem. Have to remember the sequence. The connector won't go in the wrong side, but still you need to put it back correctly. So this is the left cover that I've opened up. It shows you some motors and gears and not too much circuitry out on this side, but yeah, these were, the left cover was fastened by these small plastic latches, so you have to be careful, and there is one screw on this side as well, so you have to be careful and then pull it out. So to remove the top scanner unit, you have to first remove all these cables, and then there are 3 nut bolts from both the sides, the screws. You have to open them, and one at the back side, and there is one more screw under this, then it can be lifted. So now this panel needs to be removed. Remove it from the left side because it has a shorter holder, and this is the longer holder on this side. So if you put a flat screwdriver and push it very lightly, this would come out. You can disconnect this cable from here if you want to take this out completely, but I need to open this screw, get to this screw, so that the upper scanner assembly can be released. So this is the top assembly unit, the ADF and the scanner assembly unit that I've just dismantled, and here are some screws in the corners. You have to unscrew them, and then we will take out the scanner assembly so that you can reach the CIS and the belt, and if you can see if there is any cable disconnect out there. If you want to open inside also from the top, you can see this is the fuser assembly. That's the default layout. So once you remove the screws from the top ADF unit, you have to remove this cover and you have to take out this plug to release the scanner cable assembly. And once you pull it out, then it's released. The lower, you can work on the lower unit. Once you remove the side latches, plastic latches, carefully, not break them, the top scanner glass comes out, and you can see the inside mechanism quite easily. This is the motor itself and the drive belt that takes this bulb CIS unit back and forth. This is the supporting rod, and here you can see the power connection, and again the motor shaft, and you have this data connection out there. So I'm expecting these could be loose, so I'll in general just clean them and reseat all the cables, not meddling with it too much. Once you remove this ribbon cable, this bulb glass CIS unit comes out in itself. So I'll just clean all of these. So I have reseated this cable, this flat ribbon cable, and this scanner glass I've cleaned thoroughly with lint-free material, and there was a lot of dust inside. I was kind of wondering because it's mostly sealed, so how does so much dust get inside? And the back side of the glass that I've taken out, so both needs to be cleaned properly. And any extra dust in this cabling, cable connectors and all, if you find, you can just clean it with a blow dryer, as well as anything that has strong air through your mouth but some saliva comes out, then there is a problem. So be careful on those things. Clean all those things, and now you have to just put back the glass and do reverse engineering and put back the entire unit. So now I've put back all the components together, and now I'm scanning, and the scans are perfect. There's no issue. So the cleaning of the back side of the glass, the scanner sensor, as well as reseating all the cables worked for me. So you can go ahead and try it, but be careful when you're opening the system. Make sure you have all the knowledge, you have all the necessary tools to do all this, and do it at your own risk. I can just guide you how I did it, but the rest is all up to you. I hope this helps you. Thank you.